Hi, I'm Ben from InterNACHI. I'm standing in front of the InterNACHI House of Horrors, an entire house with 1,000 defects built under our roof in Colorado. But I'm also standing next to a demonstration display that we built for the upcoming free 2019 Inspector Fair in June 2019 in Colorado. And what it is, it's the ledger board flashing detail. Now code, actually, this big thick book is actually silent on how to properly install the flashing. It just says in a shingle-like manner or a shingle fashion. And that's not much. So as home inspectors, you know that there are problems here caused by the installer, not by code, not by standard, and it's up to us to figure out what is wrong here. So that's why we built it. And it's on wheels so we can spin it around and we can take a look at other things like the ledger board and the bolting and the floor joists and the stud wall. You can come to the convention, get your hands on some of the displays, and we can argue about the proper way to flash the deck flashing. I'll see you there.